Hi guys, I want to show you here my car when I turn the car on. In here I got a warning. It will pop up here soon. See, the service due soon. So I got this warning and kind of wondering what is that. If you got the warning, there's a lot of warning this car can generate it. So that's a good thing. In here there's a button. You can see here, press this. This one is for the information. So you can press this guy when this is something, the warning pop up, it will tell you, okay, the service due in 4 weeks. So if you want to know what is that, what you can do, you go to this screen here, go to the home. From this home button you can see the setting, or you can go to the info. Here, vehicles, click this. So there's a lot of setting in here. You can go to the maintenance info here. See, this is the warning that's a pop-up from the dashboard there. So this is the tire rotation. So in 4 weeks I have to rotate the tire. So if you want to clear it, you just click select here, and you need to find which one that you want to clear it. It's like a tire rotation. I can do this clear it out because actually I rotated it about a month ago, but didn't reset this one. It didn't get reset. So now I click reset here. So the maintenance information that saw up before on my dashboard when I turn it on, that should be gone now. Just click OK. Let's go back to here. I don't need this. Now we go back to here. I will turn this car off. Now I will turn this car on again. Again, this is Honda Clarity. So now there's no warning. The warning that's gone. So that's it. So again, thank you for watching. So please subscribe to my video. Let this channel grow, and I like to share all the maintenance in the car and at home. So hopefully that's get some benefit for all of you if you get facing the same issue. All right guys, again, thank you for watching. All right, bye now.